Now we are going to start the next topic, that is end-sem examination paper. Now question number 6, accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. Confuse matrix accuracy TP plus TN upon का TP plus TN FN plus FN and precision TFP upon में TP plus FP. Recall TP plus TP upon का FN and precision into recall upon का recall plus precision. And now B part is how to handle missing values or three approach. Drop rows column. If few missing values or column are useless, impute medium mean mode or model basis impute regression. KNN imputation, iterative imputation. Use similar rows to infer missing values. And now see logistic regression and probability. X model x equal to b0 plus b1 x1 plus dash plus b and to xn. Now probability formula and working an example is written here. Now question number 7, k mean algorithm step by step and initialization effect. K mean step, choose k initialize centroid, assign each point to the nearest centroid by equivalence distance or randomly, or k mean plus plus. Recommute centroids as mean of assigned point. Repeat step 2 or 3 until assignment does not change or max iteration reach to differ. How in initialization affect the result? Random initialization centroid can produce different final constraint local minima. K-mean plus reduce this by spreading initialized centroid. Bad initialization error. Poor constraint centroid stuff in the subpointed position. Partition more iteration. B part KNN classification example evidence distance. Give the training point with a label and a new point, compute evolution distance, that is this, and the pick k nearest and x comma y equal to I summation xi minus yi ka square. The measure is small weekend and the prevailing glass if type feedback strategies. Choose near average distance or lower k. Now 8 part, decision tree, random forest to boosting, compare distinct tree, strength, interpret, handle, categorical, and numeric fast to predict weakness, prudent to overfitting, high variance, and random forest statistics and stand reduce the variance and good out of the box performance and weakness less interval slower can be memory and boosting is the stand of the best predicting performance handling complex relationship. Weakness can overfit noising data and sensitive to hyper parameter slower to train, and this is a simple or overfitting high accuracy slow very high accuracy or sensitive to the noise. Recently random forest boosting. Now we part is single neutrons can implant and or using the step or large scope and the weight and biasness, and x0 is a similar required a hidden layer plus neutron 1 and 2 hidden neutrons 1 plus 1 outer neutron and back approach is required for the trainer. Now this is a table and 1 and 2 step no, or 1 step no, 2 handle plus 1 auto x or segmenting says. Now question number 9. Now this is a question number 9. This is entry is this is a formula and this is the table full. Now we are separating this table youth high and no, fair and excellent, and here there is a formula in solving. This is a decision tree that is between yes, wise, rate, excellent, fair, yes or no, and this is the solution, And now B part Gini index calculation, that is here represent -1 P square minus Q square, and the each student income credit, and the Gini index is written here, and the two final trees and above, and splitting the IDs, and building the ID 3 trees and root, and here the whole language that you can, and the decision tree diagram again for root H. And now C part, draw two decision trees and compare finally. Then the same above shown one, and a tree from the career and standard indicator, and the rows edges and same are the comparison, and two data set are the prevented and difference between unit